Suntan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and a highly effective home remedy to make a skin whitening and lightening cream, which is made up of 100% natural ingredients, and licorice is the main ingredient of this skin whitening cream. This cream is specially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and make it more fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. It has all the natural ingredients which will help to make your skin more fair and will also help in removing all your dark spots, acne scars, blemishes and uneven skin complexion. And it will also help in removing your suntan completely from your skin within few days and will make your skin more fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and much brighter than before. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade skin whitening and lightening licorice cream. So the first and the main ingredient which you need to prepare this cream is licorice powder. This powder is also known as Yashti Madhu or Mulethi powder. This powder is best known for its skin lightening and whitening properties. It has many antioxidants and antibacterial properties which makes it unique and best for skin lightening and whitening. So to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 1 tablespoon licorice powder or Mulethi powder in a clean bowl. After that, you are going to need rose water, and if you don't want to use the rose water, you don't have it, then you can also use the normal water, and you just have to add approx 2 tablespoons rose water in it. And after adding the rose water, you just have to mix both these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth, lump-free and a runny mixture. And after mixing both these ingredients really well, your runny mixture is ready and it will look like this. And this mixture should be smooth, lump-free and as runny as I'm showing you in the video. And now you have to strain that runny mixture to just remove all the dirt and impurities from it. And I'm using a strainer to strain it, but you can also use a cheesecloth to remove all the dirt and impurities from this runny mixture. And now after straining it nicely, your licorice paste will look like this. And now to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 2 teaspoons of this licorice paste in a clean bowl. After that, you are going to need sweet almond oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can also use the olive oil. And here I'm just adding approx half a teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. And after the sweet almond oil, you're gonna need glycerin, and if you don't have the glycerin, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules. And you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsules, then you have to add approx 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules in it. And after adding both these ingredients, you just need to mix them really nicely to make a smooth mixture. And once they all are nicely mixed, your creamy mixture will look like this. And after mixing them well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to add approx 1 to 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in it. And here I'm using the ready-made aloe vera gel, but if you have the pure one, then you can also use that one. And then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, fluffy, creamy and a lump-free paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin lightening and whitening licorice cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, creamy and as much fluffy as I'm showing you in the video. And now I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 15 to 20 days. This licorice cream is best for skin whitening, lightening and brightening. It is made up of all natural ingredients and has all the natural ingredients which are best known for skin lightening and whitening, and also for removing suntan and uneven skin complexion. This cream will also help in removing your pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone, and will make your skin more fairer, glowing, radiant, and brighter than before. This cream is filled with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and skin lightening and whitening properties, which will help to rejuvenate your dull and dark skin and make your skin more brighter, glowing, radiant, and much fairer than before. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin, and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this cream, and you can apply this cream all over your body from your face, neck to your arms and legs. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant, and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.